In this video, we'll take a look at Glances, which is a feature found on the Garmin eTrex SC. Basically, we are at our main menu, but Glances, to access this, we press and hold the back button, and this will give us some, I guess you call them widgets or information tiles on a couple options. You can see here we have the compass, we have the sun and moon data. We also have weather, so I'm connected via Bluetooth to my smartphone, but we are in a non-service area, so I can't see any weather. And we have geocaching, which will give us the latest geocache or the nearest geocache since the last time I did a refresh in that section. And then the last thing, of course, we're connected to our smartphone. Then we have our smart notifications. We can go and take a look at these things right here. All right, now last thing you probably want to do is, can I edit? Yes, you can. Scroll all the way down the bottom, you can see an edit option, press OK, and then from here you can choose which ones you want to keep. So in this case, I really want to get rid of weather, and you notice that I have an arrow. I can move this up and down the list if I wanted to, or I can set it OK, and let me just hit it again. If I didn't want to move it, you can see I have a little trash can icon, so I can hit OK again to get rid of it, and I can also get rid of notifications like that. And now I can be okay with these 3 options or 4 options. But if I wanted to add some Glances, all I can do is go down to the bottom with add. And you can see I only have the list that I have provided. So you're kind of fixed with what you have here, but if you wanted to have a quick glance at some information, this might be the option here. So anyway, that is quickly Glances on your Garmin eTrex SE.